Hey everyone, it is Brandon from Broken Bolts. We are here in the shop today, cutting up a trailer with a Lightsaber, our XTool MetalFab. I love that thing. But just want to let everybody know what we do. We are an automotive repair shop, we are a diesel shop, we are a custom shop, we are a fab shop, we are a one-stop shop. We do it all. We got some really cool, big, amazing, beautiful builds that are going on right now, but specifically coming up. Some pretty awesome stuff coming up. And we're gonna film it. We figured why not? So I hope you guys like and subscribe so you can check us out. It's gonna be fun. All right, we got some fenders to replace and axles to fix and everything else. But we got our man Jack's taking the tires off, so have at it, kid. That one's been on there for a while. Okay, go ahead. That one's been on a long time. There's a hot tamale there, bud. Uh-oh. That one's stripped out here, Dad. Dad's gonna do this one. Sorry about the noise, everybody. Man, it's taking forever. Just take some damn lug nuts off. Go ahead. Here you go. We'll find it later. Okay. Hang on, let's move all the lug nuts first. They're gonna be hot. All right, now, because we're using Lightsabers, we need to get everything that's important out of here. Because that laser is very strong. That's right. Yeah, let's get it farther up. Okay, there we go. Now what we probably should do, because it's like, you know, the safe right thing to do is to get a jack stand, but we're not doing. Use a jack stand, okay, people? We like living life on the edge. All right, so we need to hide anything that can explode, catch on fire. The jack is definitely one of those things, but it'll be okay. Well.
Hey, Red, do you have a fire extinguisher?
No. Let's get ready to use Lightsabers. All right, we are using the XTool MetalFab. We have the whole CNC unit over there. But we're using the cutter right now to cut our fenders off our trailer, and it's working out fabulously. So let's use some lightsabers from Star Wars to cut the fenders off our trailer. Now you should have laser safety lenses on. Somebody took mine.
I didn't.
But let's finish this up. It's pretty awesome, actually. Way easier than a plasma cutter. Here we go. And I'm just cutting through the weld. Beautiful. Dropping lug nut after lug nut. You always want to pay attention where your feet are with this thing, because you will cut your toes off. Uh-oh. Be all right. Where is that last weld? Jeez. There we go. Now we're cooking with Kool-Aid. Back up, Jax. Ta-da! Now I have this set extremely low because it will plow itself right through everything in its path. Do some grinding.
Next video, can I have a mic?
And they can hear you right now, Jax, because we are recording.
Well, I guess it will.
Kids just want to be involved.
Kids want to be involved in everything.
This thing's you know better than that. Back up. Look at that. All right, well, we got most of it cut off. Now we're gonna use the cleaning part that I actually forgot it even did. I've never used it in this application. Let's see what it does. I don't know. I think we're set up. Yes, we are. All right, well, let me zoom you guys in. Let's see what it does. All right. Now again, I've used this for other applications, but I've never done this. So yeah, let's see what it does. Why not? Well, that's pretty cool. Huh. I'll give you guys a close-up here in a second. I think I'm in love. Like I said, I've done this with other stuff, but not like this. I mean, I don't have to, like, I could paint that just the way it sits. Now, obviously, I gotta grind this up and make it ready to weld, but that's cool. Okay. Let me zoom out here. All right, that's pretty cool. I'm just saying. It doesn't get the big chunks, so we're just gonna have to use a grinder, but on the stuff that's not flaky, it could be painted. Rust prevention could be put down and it be painted. I mean, check this out. I mean, obviously didn't do any of that, and I did that. But, I mean, you can see the chunks. It's not getting the chunks, but over here, you could paint that if you wanted to. Obviously, I need to grind all that, but I've never used it like that before, and I kind of like it. We are an XTool affiliate. There will be a link in the description if anyone has any questions or just wants to know what it does and how it works. Click that link in the description. XTool does take care of us on that if you do that. So we appreciate all the help we can get so we can keep doing this, because we got some really cool builds about to be jumping off. And there's a couple going on right now, but some really, really epic builds about to be jumping off. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned for that. We are going to record everything, and I don't know how to say it. There's some pretty cool names attached to this one, and some pretty cool people. So I'm telling you, you're going to want to like and subscribe so you can see those videos and see what we're about to do, because we're about to do some epic things. But if anyone who is a car guy knows what happens in November, we'll be there with it, and it's gonna be a blast. Let me take you around the shop and show you what we got going on so you guys get a little idea of what we do. This is just we call it our automotive side. I don't know if that's really true because there's diesel trucks everywhere, but it is what it is. So we got our fun stuff over here. We do have an RV in the way at the moment because we have one of our guys going on vacation, and I'm a nice guy, so I let him take his RV and bring it in. But we got square bodies getting Cummins. We got LS with a Whipple square body. We got the most epic thing of all, my golf cart. We got a nice old 442 and the other golf cart, Corvettes, and then we got some compound turbo 6-liter Power Strokes, and our burnout truck that we just are not done with yet, but we are getting there. So, like I said, this is just one side, so come with me that way, and I'm gonna show you what we got. All right, we're gonna go on the other side. I believe Red's over there working, because my guys are awesome, and they come in on Saturdays and do whatever they have to do to get the job done. If the lighting isn't too good over here, I do apologize. It can get a little whitewashed. We got cabs up on 6.7 Power Strokes. We got very built motors going into 7.3s. Oh my God, I just said that backwards. Very built motors going into, I think it's an 01. It's getting a very built 7.3. We got a 1,000 horsepower ASIN going in. ASIN's right there. We got a high horsepower 6R 140, a high horsepower 5R. All of this is happening right now. We did take lots of stuff out of the shop because, well, it is Saturday and we try to get cleaned up. And then we got some stuff going on over here. Mr. Red's over there working his butt off trying to get this white one done for me. Because again, as I mentioned, my guys are fantastic. I could not do this without them, and I owe them the world, and I want to give it to them. So help me do that by liking and subscribing. Because the more we do that, the more I can give to them, because that's what this channel is about. It's about my people. It's not about me. It's not about what we do, really. It's about them. And I want them to have everything they've ever wanted. So help me do that for them. Please like and subscribe. Sounds like I'm begging a little. I'm not. Maybe a little. Anyway, we got a trailer to finish up here, so stay tuned. We got to get after it. We'll be right back. All right, we kind of jumped ahead a little bit. I got sidetracked with some other stuff, but we did get it all off. We got this tacked up. Do it real quick. It's not pretty, it's not done, but it's on there. And yeah, but a lot of grinding, and I couldn't have done it without my shop shades because I have metal dust all over me. So click that link in the description and get yourself some of these beautiful protectors. These things, I'll tell you what, they're the most comfortable pair of safety glasses I've ever had. And I mean that. I'm not just saying that. Go to johnmelecky.com and get yourself some. Click that link in the description and get yourself some. Come on now. Protect those eyeballs. I mean, look, I got glitter all over me, but I ain't got nothing in my eyes. So anyway, that's it for today. So we will be back. We have lots of filming to do, and we will see you guys later.